Hello everyone, my name is Nijna Srinivasan. I am from Kerala. I have completed my MSc and B.Ed from Kerala University. Currently, I am working at Sri SSH International English Medium School, Churchan as a principal. This is our Kerala teachers.
My name is Alia. I am from Kerala. Currently, I am working at Sri SHS International English Medium School, Churchan as an English teacher.
Hi, my name is Nirma Shaji. I am from Kerala. Currently, I am working at SSH International English Medium School, Churchan as the mother teacher of first standard.
Hi, my name is Archana. I am from Kerala. Currently, I am working at Sri SSH International English Medium School, Churchan as a maths teacher.
Hi, my name is Sanya. I am from Kerala. Currently, I am working at Sri SSH International English Medium School as a English teacher.
We all work together to provide a better education for your child. As far as I am concerned, education is the best thing that you can give to your child. So don't compromise on your child education. Admissions are open for the academic year 2025 to 2026. So please come and take admission in our school for your child right